What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for being here again. So in today's video we're going to take care of a topic that honestly I've already covered in a video before. I'll mention that later, but it's something that I still constantly get asked by you guys, and I wanted to make sure that I answer this question before I end up not using this piece of hardware anymore. So the Blue Yeti, I've been using this microphone for quite a long time, and I use it on my streams, I use it for voice recordings, all that kind of stuff, and you guys have probably seen a ton of content with that on my channel already. So what I constantly get asked by you guys in the comments and get DM'd about it all the time is what my EQ settings are for that mic and like what general settings do I use for it. Well, I've already done a video, it'll be linked up here if you guys have not seen it. It's like all my stream settings, and I keep telling you guys to watch it, but I still get asked all the time, so that's why I'm bringing you this video. So what is EQ anyway, you guys? EQ, it just stands for equalization, and all that means is just bringing levels up, taking levels down, adding a couple of effects and stuff like that to make your audio sound better, more crisp, whatever you guys are looking for. So we're gonna get into that right now. Okay guys, so what I'm about to show you right here is basically the same footage I used in my other video. So you guys have probably seen this already if you watched that video, but if you haven't, then you guys will be able to see this fresh right now, and there you go. Hopefully this will be able to help you out. And I just wanted to let you guys know that there will be a surprise for you guys at the end of this video, and that is because I'm going to be giving away a microphone. So make sure you guys stick around to check that out. But anyway, here are my settings for my Blue Yeti. Alright guys, here's just a quick look of the backside of my Blue Yeti, and you can see that my gain, I usually keep it just about a quarter of the way up, and then the vocal pattern, I usually just keep it on the cardioid setting, and I just leave those two things alone, and I honestly haven't touched them since I bought the mic. Okay, now let me show you in Windows what my sound settings are for my mic. So let me go down to my Blue Yeti down here, and I'll show you what I have it set at for levels. So we have it set at 80 in Windows right now. So that is what it's set at in Windows. And now let me show you what I actually do to tweak the noise and give it a little bit of an EQ inside of the software here. So what you want to do if you want to do these settings, you need to go down to your audio mixer here, and then you go to your mic auxiliary line, go ahead and right click that, and then go to filters. All right, when you get into filters, you'll see that I have a few of them up here. So let me go ahead and move that out the way so you can see me still. So we have 4 different filters I want you guys to look at here. So we'll start with the noise suppression filter. So this is to help ambient noise not get into your mic. So right here, I have the suppression level set at -45 dB. And if you guys want to add a new filter, all you gotta do is press this little plus right here, and then it'll ask you which one right here. So basically for the noise suppression, you'd go here, press noise suppression, okay? Same thing for the rest of these. So the next thing we're gonna do is noise gate, and then at noise gate, we want the close threshold to be -38 dB, open threshold to be -30 dB, attack time is 25 milliseconds, hold time is 50 milliseconds, release time 50 milliseconds. All right, let's move on to the next one to our, let's do the regular compressor first because the limiter is something different. All right, so your regular compressor, for your ratio, you want, it's I believe 3.00 to 1, and then threshold, we want -24 dB, attack, we want 3 milliseconds, release, we want 15 milliseconds, output gain, you want 6 dB, and sidechain ducking source, just leave that at none, okay? So that's your regular compressor to give it a little more punch when you talk. And then our limiter, so this is basically to help with those like big plosion sounds and like when you get excited while you're streaming and stuff like that. I talked about this when I reviewed a bunch of Sound Blaster's products. They have a built-in EQ like that, called, I think it's like noise or volume control or something like that. This is something that you can do yourself inside of OBS to do the exact same thing with your microphone. So if you want to set this limiter, you basically want to set your ratio to 10 to 1, your threshold to -6 decibels, attack to 1 millisecond, release to 15 milliseconds, output gain 0, and again, ducking source, sidechain, none. Okay, and that's all the settings that I use with my Blue Yeti to make it sound the way I sound on my streams. So if you guys enjoy the way it sounds, there you go. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed checking out my settings, and I hope you guys enjoy what it sounds like. Welcome to the Thursday stream here on the RA Visuals channel. How's everybody doing? What's going on, everybody? Who do we got here? We got Christian, J, Train, and L. What's going on, guys? How's everybody's Thursday going? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day so far, or well, evening, whatever time it is and where you guys live. Anybody else hockey fans? Because there is a ton of NHL hockey on now that it started yesterday. Let me know in the comments if you guys actually do like what it sounds like, or if you guys would personally change something, or if you use different settings yourself. Try to help people out in the comments. I would love that. So anyway, like I said, you guys, there is a little surprise for you guys at the end of this, and that is because we are going to be giving a microphone away. That is right. So we're going to be giving away the Tonor TC30 microphone that I already reviewed on the channel. And honestly, I thought I was going to end up using this microphone, but it turns out it's just been sitting on my shelf collecting dust. Haven't even used it since I reviewed it. So I figured I would give it to one of you guys who need a microphone. And I'm sure you're probably thinking, Ricky, why would you be giving this microphone away on a video that's about the Blue Yeti? Well, you know what, guys? These settings that I showed you today work very well for this microphone as well, and I even put that in the video that I recorded for this microphone. Again, if you guys have not seen it, click up here, check it out. And it makes it sound way better, and a lot of people have asked me about my EQ settings on that video as well. So another reason why I wanted to bring you guys this video here. So all you guys got to do to enter the giveaway is basically just do what you normally do. Go down in the description, check the Gleam.io link, and follow the directions there. So the main thing on this one, you guys, is just going to make sure that you guys like this video. It helps me out a lot. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and then go ahead and follow me on Twitter. We're trying to build the Twitter fan base over there and get the Visuals fam all on there, because I post a lot of different stuff on there. Anyway, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, go ahead and make sure you drop the video a like. Helps out the channel a lot, and helps, you know, more people see videos like this, so that way the channel can grow. And same with that, make sure you guys go ahead and get subscribed with those notifications on. That way you'll never miss another video just like this one, because I got a lot more coming at you guys. So till the next one, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.